trick right out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warm sun and into his.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, you may have guessed it, we are doing a little bit of painting. Yes, because we are continuing on with the mini makeover series. So I did do the fireplace in the last video that I did with the mini makeover series. And today I am actually painting the door, which sounds like not that much of an interesting thing to be doing. So I'm going to show you the method to my madness in just a sec. If you guys are new here, I do organizing, decorating and cleaning on this channel. It's pretty much home improvement. So if you aren't already subscribed, then I would love to have you on board. Definitely go and check out heaps of my videos and my playlist. So let's jump into this video and I will share with you the method behind my madness. Why am I sharing with you painting a door? Let's jump into it. Okay, so for those who haven't seen, this is the bedroom and this is sort of the colors that's going on. So it's a 30-60-10 rule, which is 60% of the colors in here is brown. Then you've got 30%, which is a white, which is all your trims, your cupboard here, the skirting, and then parts of her bedding. And then, yeah, the 10% is really just the gold and the pinks that are going on, which you'll see in throughout the bedding and just on the little bits of her accessories and stuff like that. So, yes, this is a bedroom for those who haven't seen. And this is the area that we are working on today. So you can see if I was to paint this door white, which is generally what people do, they'll paint it white, the same color as whatever they've painted the skirting. Now, if I was to do that, this whole wall would just be white and really, really boring. So yes, I could definitely do that, but I'm thinking, why not do something amazing with this door? And I think really you don't need to paint or do anything super fancy to it. I think just by painting it like a color is just a pop color is going to give you that wow factor on this wall, but it's not going to take away from the rest of the room. So we're going to do that today, and then we're going to add some cute wall hooks to that. So the color that I'm looking at sort of imitating is this color here, this pale pink here, because I have some gorgeous gold hooks that I'm going to put over top. And then obviously with the white there, you have the white you know, door frame as well, so it'll sort of tie in with the colors that are in the room. But I'm going to mix the paint myself, so yeah, this will be interesting.
I don't want to come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try.
Then I'm gonna quickly show you my bedroom and share with you why I wouldn't paint that pop of color on that bedroom door in there, and why I would just do that a white or the same color as the wall color. And then you can sort of get an idea if you wanted to do something like this in your home, whether it's going to be suitable or not. So let's jump into that room and we'll have a quick look. Okay, so this is my bedroom, and as you can see, my bed is on the same side as the door. So if I was to paint the door a different color, I feel like it would be competing against the bed, because you really want the bed to be the main focal feature and the bedding, and you want to make that a beautiful wow pop feature, even though it's really not at the moment. But yeah, I feel like it would be taking away from the bedding and the bed. So that's why I would definitely just paint it the wall color, or paint it the white that's on the trims and that's in the room. So that's what I'm going to do with this room. But again, I am going to put some beautiful wall hooks on this door as well. So I absolutely love door hooks because, one, it's behind the door. So unless you've got the door closed, you're not going to really see what's on there. But also it's a practicality of it. So say if you have some housemates, for instance, or you've got kids that like to go through your handbag and take a bit of pocket money. I know I used to do that to my parents. Then, you know, this is a great way of, you know, putting your handbag in there at night time, and, you know, your car keys or whatever. If someone wants to steal your car, they're going to come through your bedroom. It's a great way to store your like wear again clothes, as well as like your dressing gowns and stuff like that. So that is why I love wall hooks. I usually love to put them in sets of 3 as well. So I'll be definitely doing that in here. Okay, so this is the gorgeous hook that's going on the door. I actually have 3 of these, and obviously it needs to be screwed into the door, and it's got 2 screw hooks there. This is from Ivy and Coco. I will link them in the description box below, their shop, or if I can link this product, I will. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so I was really unsure of how to style it. I actually want to put her daycare bag on here, and then I was planning on putting like her pajamas and like her dressing gown on here. So it's not going to look pretty like this all the time, but if you know my daughter, she is like the biggest diva, and I can't even wear my slippers in her room a lot of the time because she says, "Mum, you've worn them outside." I literally have to convince her that I clean the room, so I'm allowed to wear my slippers inside. So I can't even wear shoes in this room normally because she is that, she takes a lot of pride in her room, put it that way. And she's definitely the queen bee in this house, I reckon. She makes most of the rules. So anyway, I don't know how it's gonna stay, if it will stay looking like this, or if I will be allowed to put bags on here that I have actually intended it to be used for. So yeah, I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So I'm looking through the camera and it's not looking how it looks like in real life. Like, it looks so much better in real life. So I'm a bit bummed out by that, but you can probably tell in my excitement in my voice that it's turned out pretty damn good. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it's really given you that inspiration to do some things around your home that, you know, might only need a day to be done, and sometimes they are as simple as just painting a door. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and if you do want to see more from me, I do have a Facebook and Instagram page where you can catch me on throughout the week. And if you do have any video suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll see what I can do for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.